How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed the Google Play Games if you haven't already. So another thing what you can do is just head over to your Google Play Store and make sure you have connected to your right Gmail address or profile, and once you confirm it, just head back to your Google Play Games and just open the application. And before you continue with the application, make sure you are logged into your same account as that in your Google Play Store. So once you do that, just like that, you'll have successfully created or transferred your Google Play Games data to Game Center because of that same account which we are using on both. That means if you play any games with that particular account, the game data will be transferred inside this Google Play Games just like that. So you can just follow the on-screen instruction to create the information over here and create a profile successfully. So as you can see, here will be all of your achievements and your friends as well. You can also see your friends over here and set it up just like this. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.